This is a peep in the microwave.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's getting bigger.
Radiation! Radiation! Look, he's deformed! Terrible! Ew! Ew, yuck! He's getting bigger, and then watch when he dies.
When he dies, and he deflates.
Yeah, he gets
Will stop.
Oh, look, he like.
Look!
This is a peep in the microwave.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Radiation! Radiation! Look, he's deformed! Terrible! Ew! Ew, yuck! He's getting bigger, and then watch when he dies.
When he dies, and he deflates.
Will stop.
Oh, look, he like.
Look! There you go!
Ew!
It's a marshmallow!
Look, there's its nose.
He's like...
And now he's eating a diet.
He looks like an egg!
It's like his innards are showing.
Yeah. Ew! You can see his innards.
Ew.
It's like roasted marshmallow.
That part's so good.
Ew.
Here you go.
Here,
Peep.
I'll eat one. It tastes like a roasted marshmallow.
Don't taste the other part. The other part will get hard.
You want some?
Part of my plate.
Okay.
Here. It
Fine.
tastes like a roasted marshmallow off the fireplace.
That's true.
Getting really, really hard.
Yeah.
Crunchy.
Whoa, it's kind of sticking in my finger.
So that's what happens when you put a peep in the microwave.
Pretty thin.